Hi all. Today I want to share a recipe for a very tasty cheese and egg spread. This recipe is over 50 years old and was very popular in Ukraine. This is also my son's favorite spread. So, the recipe is very simple. You need 2 hard-boiled eggs. Rub the eggs through a grater. You can use other grater methods or tools. Eggs can be crushed with a fork. The next ingredient is cheese. We used to make this spread from soft cheese, but now I make it from semi-hard and hard cheeses too. It is important that hard cheeses be finely grated, such as Parmesan for pasta. But the tastiest spread is made from mozzarella, Havarti, marble and other cheeses. Sometimes I use a mixture of cheeses that I have in my refrigerator. You can use grated pizza cheese, but preferably finely grated cheese. How much cheese do you need? Approximately 100 to 150 grams, but a little more is possible. As my son says, there is no such thing as too much cheese. The third ingredient is garlic. I use 2 to 4 cloves of garlic for this serving of spread. If you like the taste of garlic, add more. I use a garlic squeezer. You can use garlic crushed with a knife. Or you can replace the garlic with garlic powder. A tablespoon of garlic powder is enough. Can you replace garlic with onions? If you like onions, you can use them. Another important ingredient is mayonnaise. Of course, you can use yogurt or sour cream instead of mayonnaise. Add 1 tablespoon of mayonnaise. This amount is usually enough to prevent the spread from being dry or too wet. Add salt and ground black pepper to taste. Mix all ingredients thoroughly. Sometimes I add a little parsley and dill, finely chopped. You can also add your favorite herbs, such as rosemary or oregano. The most important thing is to mix all the components of the spread well. If you think there is not enough mayonnaise, you can always add it. I love this cheese spread on bread. Sometimes I add prosciutto on top, thin slices of tomato. In Ukraine, this spread was called cheese salad, and was considered an appetizer. But this cheese spread with crackers tastes best. If you liked this video, don't forget to hit like and subscribe to my channel. See you soon.